They've never scored against Juventus.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
So here's Roberto Firmino. Oh, he's hit the post.
Άλλη μια ευκαιρία για τη Sporting, δύο δοκάρια. Δώστη κεφαλιά, δοκάρι και έξω, τρίτο δοκάρι για τη Sporting.
Toca, Brahimi toca al área, el intento de remate, al poste, Oliver.
En la banda derecha el equipo de Zidane, ahí está Carvajal que prepara el centro, la pone Zidane buscando a Ronaldo. Al travesaño, al travesaño.
М'яч знову у сторони, ще раз подача хороша, удар! Стійка!
Morata. Hazard! Oh, he's
Sí. Árbitro, por si quiere poner la cereza en el pastel con un gol. ¡Radamel! ¡Qué gol!
Ojo a Navas, dentro del área el remate de Navas al palo. Se frena en seco Iniesta, balón buscando a Paulinho, al travesaño.
Cut back to De Bruyne. Oh, off the underside of the bar, and it stayed out as well.
Besiktas se pondría con 9 puntos, se estaría haciendo.
happy for Sofiane with the header, pushed away. Here's a chance on Ikuhits.
Samara in the penalty area, and arriving here in towards Ronaldo. It's at the post, and Benzema.
Gundogan right across the face of goal. Very nearly, Otamendi was in there again, and they've hit the bar.
Conceding the equalising goal here.
Marca, va dentro del área. Abel le puede pegar, tiene cañón, le pega.
It's Buršić, and it was a tricky one against the post.
Yeah, and an unlikely source as well.
Following up.
Falls a Felipe Luis and just takes a shot.
ضربت في القائم الايسر وخرجت يا سلام. هاي الكرة.
By Sergio Roberto, Hazard, now Willian. Good position again. Oh, he's hit the other post now. Willian.
Para su hat-trick Pipita, al travesaño. Los Reds, ojo al tiro, al palo. Ahí está Salah, gol.
By Cesc Fabregas towards Rudiger, rattles the Woodwork. Closest Chelsea have come in the second half. And it was
a very good header. Marcelo, Benzema, and then Asensio.
Quiere dejar para Davis que mete el centro y ve esa pelota. Kane al remate al palo. Remató Kane al palo. Unos
en la línea Barzagli.
Tremendo.
Miraron de inmediato a
By Kolarov, it's come to Rakitic again, and he's hit the post, and it came to Suarez, and he blasted over.
Might have a go for goal from here. He will have a go for goal from here.
From the back.
It's a good header. Thumps off the bar. It was Varane who got there. Isco. Well, then Pjanic to pick up the pieces.
off through traffic. A mistake from Karras. He got enough on it to push it off the bar. Mohamed Salah taking the corner. Lovren was up for it. It's off the bar.
Marcelo. Falls here for Isco. Hits the bar. He can't believe it. And nor can Real Madrid. But they were opened up there, Liverpool. Hits one. Oh, it's in the post. He beat Navas, but it comes back off the post.